So I've got this Galaxy Projector with 13 interchangeable film discs, ultra wide angle and adjustable focus. It has RGB lights, it has a timer, and let's unbox it and check it out and see how it looks. There we go, let's open this up. And as you can see, we have some tips here, what to take off, what to place in, really cool. We have this to wipe the lens. We've got the user manual right here. And there we have it. 6 film discs and another 6 film discs is like 154 millimeters extra large films. And probably we've got another one on this. So let's take it out. We also have a USB-C charger, USB-C to USB-A charger. There we go, USB-C to USB-A. And let's check the actual projector. So as you can see here, we have this that we need to take off, and this is the focus adjusting knob. We also have here some buttons, timer, and maybe a power on. Colors, it's like different sets here. We'll check them out in a moment. We'll press every button. Here is the connection to charge it, and we also have something here, probably is the film. This is where yeah, that's right. So that is the film. So there we go, this is the actual film. It goes right here. We can take it out, put it back, and it says this up, as you can see here. So we just place it in right there, and we put it back here. And what I also like, that you have this like metal stand which you can adjust. Okay, so let's plug this one in just like that, and it has quite a long cable to plug it in. There we go. So when we plug it in, it's straight up, lights up. So you can see this RGB light right here, really cool. So we have these buttons right here. So this is the power button, on and off. Then as you can see here, if I take this off, we have this for 1 hour, 2 hours, and then S minus, S plus. So let's check it out. Let's see the lights on the ceiling. So this is how it looks on the ceiling. We need to adjust the focus. There we go. So now you can clearly see, really nice focused. It looks really cool, I must admit. It does look really nice. You can see the moon right there. And let's check this one out. There we go. It's really cool. Wow, look at this nebula. And it's so clear. It looks really nice. Whoa! Did you see that? There were like a few stars like going that way. I'm not sure if you saw it on camera, but it was really cool. They were like moving. Let's try another one. Whoa, look at this. It's a dinosaur. It looks really nice and really detailed and beautiful. I think it's really nice, especially for kids as well. It's a good idea as a gift. Let me show you the things that the films come in. So another thing that I really like about this is that it comes in like from these boxes. You take out this type of like canister, like old movie stuff, and they also have like descriptions, which is really nice. And if you open one of this, you can read this, then you open it, and there we go. We have the film right there. That's why I think it's like really nice as a gift. So you have this timer right here, and you can set 1 or 2 hours, and if you don't set this, it will automatically turn off after 4 hours, which is really cool. It has this RGB light, which looks really nice, and then you can change it from here. You can change like the colors, and then this one adds this lens right here adds like the comets and the stars moving, which is really cool because you don't know when this turns on, and it's like really cool when you're like sitting down and then looking at those stars, and then suddenly you see some of those comets coming. This is really cool, especially at night, especially for kids as well. and is really cool as a gift. So I really like this. And the quality seems like pretty well made. This seems like pretty well made. We have this metal here, and the films are really good. The film, and they also like look really good on the ceiling. So the RGB light can have like 6 color light effects that create like relaxation and around the bedtime. 13 of these films, which is really cool. One comes straight in the projector with the moon, and then you have 6 in this pack and 6 in this pack. I haven't opened this one yet. Let's check this one out. Observable universe, a black hole, pillars of creation. They are really cool.